What do you get when you, love these, right? Okay, percent of increase and decrease. Remember we did these last semester a little bit, but let's remember. Do you remember the formula of percent of increase and decrease?
No.
It's big minus little over first. So in the example I that we worked with, which is really one of the hardest ones, we have 4.72 billion to 3.15 billion. So which's the big one? 4.72 minus 3.15. Which one came first?
3.15.
The 4.72 actually came first. So, what's 4.72 minus 3.15? 1.57? 1.57 over 4.72. I'll tell you right now, I'm not giving you any decimals over on the test, so watch. Here's my little thing. Can you see it? So I have 1.57 divided by, because a fraction's just division, divided by 4.72, and that's equal to, as a decimal, 0.33262711186. Okay? How would you turn that into a percent? Or multiply by 100? Okay, so that would be 33 point what? 2 or 3%? 3%. So the letter I is 33.3%. It's in the second question, which is what do you get when you cross a weeping willow with a UFO? You've got one of those letters. That's finding the percent of increase or decrease. Big minus little over first. Does everybody have that in their questions? Excellent. Okay, these are solves. These are also big minus little over first. If you add cheese to a McDonald's quarter pounder, it increases the fat content from 21 grams to 30 grams. What's the big number? 30 minus the little number? 21. What was the first number? How did it start? 21. So 30 minus 21 is what? 9 over 21. This is more like a question would be on a test. Not a decimal divided by a decimal, okay? Can we factor these? Yeah, 3 times 3 over 3 times 7. That goes 1. So that would be 3/7. How do you turn that fraction into a decimal? Divide. So how many 7s go into 3?
0.
Add some zeros. Let's add 3, because it looks like that's what we're looking for. How many 7s in 30? 4, and that's 28. How many 7s in 20?
2,
and that's 14. How many 7s in 60?
A lot. 8. Wait. 6. Yeah, 8. I'm guessing.
8, and that's
56.
56.
Yeah.
And then let's go here. How many 7s would be in 40?
Wait. 5.
5, and that would be 35. So 42.8 or 9? 9%. Everybody see how we got to 42.9%? Because our decimal was 0.4285. So our O is right up here, 42.9. Then we have, let's do this one. Barbara, who? Barbara was earning $8.70 per hour. 87, that was cool. $8.70 per hour. Thank you. When she got a 6% increase in pay. What was her rate of pay after the increase? How do you figure it out? She started at $8.70. She got a 6% increase. What would that work out to be? And how do you work it out?
You turn the percent into a decimal.
Turn the percent into a decimal. What is 6% as a decimal?
0.06.
0.06. What are you going to do with those two numbers?
Multiply them.
You're going to multiply. 6% of her salary increase. Means multiply. Okay? So 6 times 0 is 0. 7 times 6? 42. 8 times 6?
56.
48 plus 4 more? 52. How many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she got a 52.2 cent increase, right? So what did she really get?
52.
52 cents, because we don't have 0.2 cents. So instead of earning $8.70, she earned how much? She increased by, that's 12. She's now earning $9.22. Not bad, I'll take it. You know, an extra 50 cents an hour, work 8 hours a day, that's an extra $4. You know, go buy you a coffee. You go to Starbucks on $4, right? That's not bad. Okay. Then Mr. Buckle bought 100 shares of Abacus Corporation stock at $36.75 per share. And he sold them at $34.50. What was his percent of loss? So $36.75, that's the big number, minus $34.50. And what was his first? What was the earlier amount? $36.75. Whenever the larger number is on the bottom, you're talking about a loss or a percent of decrease. When the smaller number's on the bottom, it's an increase. So basically, if it's there, this number's the same, it's a decrease. If this number's the same, it's an increase. Okay? So 36.75 minus 34.5, that's 225 divided by 36.75. Again, I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator, and it's 0.06122. So here it's going to be 6%, 6.1 or 6.2%?
Huh? Oh, 6.1.
6.1. So we don't round up, we keep it the same. 6.1%. Questions? We good?